All right, welcome everybody. So, update on chapter 3 here. So, remember, this is the last chapter before we take the exam. So, down here at the bottom, you can see you've got your exam 1 practice. So, make sure you go in there and watch the video. I've got some information there. And then you're going to leave some posts here. There's a discussion, so you'll get points for leaving posts in here. This will be graded, so you can get some points that way. Plus, it's you're gonna help each other out, get ready for this exam. So you're gonna help each other with that. So you've got your practice test in here as well. I will later be posting solutions to the practice exam, but I don't want to post them yet. I want everyone to work on them a little bit. Otherwise, if I post the solutions right away, people tend to shortcut that studying process, and then they kind of think they're more ready for the test than they are. So I want you to spend a little time with it first. Then after you've worked on the problems later, I'll submit the problems, and then you can compare what you did with the worked out solutions that I would expect to be seeing. So that's one thing for you. Also, up here in the Chapter 3 overview where this video is posted, if students leave times where they would like to meet for a review the next week, so not this week when this video is being made on October 25th, next week, I'm willing to set an appointment on campus where people can show up. You can ask me questions. I can go over problems from the practice test. I can go over problems from the homework. We can do whatever you want. So if people will put in here as a comment what times work for people, right? Obviously, I have on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I have classes. So during the day, that won't really work. But if maybe people want to meet in the evening or afternoon, I don't know when people want to meet. So post times that you would like to have a review up there, and I'll see what times work for the most number of people. And then I'm willing to set up, I'll just make a time and place on campus where you can show up and you can ask me questions and I can help you with that stuff, okay? So if you're interested in that, please leave that as a post. Otherwise, I will be in the next, towards the end of this week, I'll start releasing information about how the actual test is going to go. But for now, just focus on getting ready for the actual test, and then we'll worry about the steps for getting the test taken next week. Okay? All right. And as always, if you have questions or concerns, please message me preferably through Canvas. It's not really email, but the Canvas messaging. That's the best way to do it. You can email me through my school email if you want. It's just a lot easier if you message me through the Canvas messaging, but either one is perfectly acceptable. So now is the time to be finishing up that homework, figuring out how you're going to get ready to pass this test, asking me questions, and then, of course, posting if you're interested in having an on-campus study session where however many people show up, I answer questions for some period of time, and then hopefully that helps people do well on the exam. Okay, thanks, everybody. We'll see you later.